So it's 4:20 in the morning here at Puerto Princesa. Pipick upin tayo ng van going to Buliluyan Port para makapunta tayo sa Balabac. So I'm just waiting for the van and then I'll update you once I get to Buliluyan Port. Here at Buliluyan Port. So, arrival time is at 10:10. Umalis kami ng 4:20. Wala pa yung boat namin, so antayin na lang namin. So, sabi, mag-aantay kami ng go signal ng Coast Guard kung pwedeng bumiyahe. Kasi kung maano, hindi na matutuloy yung Balabac namin. Sana naman hindi. Sana matuloy pa rin. We are finally here at one of the islands of my Balabac Tour. This is Canimeran Island. Kita niyo naman, deserted. Pero may mga ibang tours na nasa likod. Tapos ito yung kubo namin. 30 minutes lang from Buliluyan Port. Yeah, I think 30 minutes lang, wala mang 1 hour. Nag-nap lang ako on the way here. Maulan doon, pero yung weather dito masaya. It's a good weather out here. So yan yung boat namin. We will have lunch here and then we have 30 minutes more to spend here at Canimeran Island. So yeah, adobo, and then sweet and sour fish. We also have piña. Tapos na kami mag-lunch. So, pupunta na kami sa isa pang island. At yung susunod, Patawan Island is next. So, ang sarap ng lunch namin. Alimango, tsaka sweet and sour na fish, tsaka chicken adobo. Pero hindi na ako kumain ng adobo. Yung ano lang, seafood lang. So, kami na lang yung naiwan dito. We are at Patawan Island. We are gonna stay here for 1 hour. Para maganda-ganda yung tubig dito. So dito ako magsiswimming. Look at that! Oh! Maganda nga magstay dito. This is so nice. Oh my God! Nakita niyo ba yan? No! Sobrang ganda! Can you see that? This is so cool. Oh my god. Okay. So we're gonna find a place muna to put our bags. Konti, pero hindi malakas, as in patak-patak lang. So I'm happy na nakapag-swimming tayo ng konti. Mag-swimming pa ulit tayo kasi 1 hour kami dito sa Patawan Island. Ganda! So may parts pa ng island doon, kaya lang hindi na ako pumunta. Parang malalim na. So, dito lang muna tayo. This is the beautiful Patawan